All right, let's move on to business building secret number 2. My guess is that far less than 1% of business owners are even aware of this. No matter what business you're in, there are 4 divisions of your market that you've got to understand. Category 1 is looking to buy. About 3% of your market is actively looking to buy what you have. It doesn't matter whether you're selling houses, hotels, or hot dogs. About 3% of your market is ready to do business with you right now, and they're looking for you. Now, critical note, the huge majority of businesses sell only to this 3%. Now, you got to think with me. This is the smallest segment of your market, and you're fighting with your competition for it. It's also usually the toughest to sell to because they're in shopping mode. Category number 2 is not ready but interested. 30 to 40% of your market is not looking to buy, but they are very interested. If you're effective with your marketing, you've got a very good shot at getting their business. They're still likely to shop around, though, if you don't capture them and close them on the first hit. Now we move to where the money is. Category 3, not interested at all. 30 to 40% of your market is not thinking about your product or service at all. Amazingly, with truly effective marketing, these people are the easiest to sell to. If you can break their trance, get inside of their heads with a powerful, enticing list of benefits, and position your solution expertly, they're going to buy without even looking for a competitor. Category 4, totally decided against buying. These people either have no money or no interest in what you're selling. Perhaps they've looked at your product before and decided against it, maybe because of cost. Effective marketing that communicates the benefits, clearly the benefits of what you offer, not the product or the service, but just the benefits of it. You can turn a lot of these people around very quickly and easily. Now let's do a recap. In your market, 3% are looking to buy. Today, it's nearly a guarantee that you and your company are dealing only with this 3%, the smallest possible part of your available market. These people are most likely to shop you for price, which means that 97% of your possible market is out there untouched by you or your competitors. If you can create an effective marketing funnel or get expert help to create a great marketing funnel, then create the most compelling message and communicate it effectively and efficiently to that 97% who ain't looking, you're going to explode your business every single time. In the next video, we're going to look at why 97% of all marketing and advertising sucks and what you can do about it to drive your profits to the next level easily. Thanks.